We have now only local players. Yes, we wait foreigner players. But what we have, I think, is not bad. It's good players. But you know, it's new team. Everybody come here in, only this year. We must more give time for preparation because I understand it's new team. Yes.
What's your expectation?
Please.
This team expectation from my young team.
Okay, it's you know time. I know I cannot answer you because we need time, and after you see.
So you don't have time also to gel.
Not time for preparate. No, I know it's also a big problem for us. But what do? If not, we have situation. We must work. Understand? It's any situation have. But like this one, it's okay. We must work and not step back.
So what?
I also like attacking football. Yes.
So you played for Dempo Sports Club?
The Churchill Brothers. Churchill Brothers first, 99-2000.
So you being this coming from this country, your country got good quality players. Why not brought a quality players from your country?
Because my country now championat is continue, and everybody have contract, and only December finish championat.
Matches are fixed at 2 o'clock.
Yes, I see. When you want quality football, you can't put harsh decisions. So 2 o'clock when the climate is not suitable even to walk in the streets, and I don't think the players will give out the best. The quality of football will be at its low